¿Cómo estás?
I'm good. I just have lower back pain because I decided to work out. And you said to take it easy and I didn't do it.
Ah, workout.
I was doing glutes and I have the glute bridge machine at home and I think I went too hard. You know, trying to get that wedding ready.
The wedding figure.
Yeah.
Does it hurt when you sit, stand, walk?
Walking and when I got up from the chair.
She's getting old.
I haven't had a headache since last time you adjusted me. So.
Hey, that's awesome. And a little bit going on here. Ooh. Here? Or there?
Right there.
Okay.
Ooh. That
Love
was
it.
nice. Oh, that was nice. Sorry.
Relax a little more. Yeah. Good.
That
Got it.
was amazing.